today I'm going to make some sweet potato brownies from the new Pinch of Nom book. Here are my ingredients. Sweet granulated sugar, low fat buttery spread, cocoa powder, maple syrup, sweet potatoes, eggs, flour, baking powder and vanilla extract. Now first of all I'm going to peel my potatoes and get the sweet potatoes up and boiling. Whilst that is doing, I will measure my other ingredients. Right, I've got my sweet potatoes on here boiling and they will take about 10 minutes and then I will mash them and leave them to cool. Whilst that is doing, I have measured all my other ingredients. That's all been put in the bowl ready. The eggs are ready to go in. It does look a lot of ingredients, that's because I've doubled up because I'm making a batch for my daughter at the same time. Right, that's the sweet potato now gone cool or been in the fridge for a little while. I'm just adding it to the mix. Make sure I get it all out. Waste not, want not. I'm going to mix that into the mix. You can use an electric mixer to do this and add them all at the same time, but I mixed the first lot of ingredients up separately while the potato was cooling down. Make sure it's all mixed and you should get a quite nice consistency. And like I said before, there's a lot of mixture here, but it is a mix for two lots. So don't be alarmed thinking when you do yours, God, I didn't get that much mix, because you won't. I doubled up because I'm making a batch for my daughter. Right, I think that's ready now. See how nice and consistency it is. I'm going to split that now into two tins. I've lined two 7 by 7 inch tins with grease proof paper and I'm going to split the ingredients into the two tins. Once you've got it in your tin, spread it round to your tin and try and make it even. I'm using a palette knife. It says use a knife. Now those are all done, I'm going to put them in the oven at 160 on doesn't really matter which shelf, but hopefully they'll go on there. No. 160 for 25 minutes. Right, the cakes are ready. I'm going to get them out of the oven. Wow, they smell absolutely delicious. I'm going to put them on the cooling rack and you leave them in their tins until they're completely cool before you put the drizzle on. Right, the cakes have cooled down now, so I'm going to take them out and put them on a tray. Wow, they didn't stick, did they? Just going to leave that there for a few minutes while I mix the drizzle up. I've got my cocoa powder and my maple syrup and I'm going to mix this up. A bit mucky, but hey ho, make sure I get all my syrup because I want it as a decent consistency. longer than I thought, but hey ho, we're getting there. What's the word? Patience. I'm a bit mucky sometimes, as you can see. Here goes. That's hard work. Right, now it's drizzled, I'm going to cut it into 16 slices. There we go, the finished article. Sweet potato brownies from the new Pinch of Nom book. Right, that's it from me already. This is the book. If anybody wants to make them, to find out all the ingredients, go and buy the book. There's lots and lots of good recipes in there. So it's goodbye from me.